Hello friend, happy Independence Day. I'll tell you how to make Tiranga sign mocktail. Take 3 glass, fill all the 3 glass with ice cube. Add lemon juice, 10 ml of lemon juice in each glass. Then add 60 ml of Litchi juice in all glasses. Then in the first glass add 40 ml of Kiwi Crush. In the second glass add 20 ml of coconut syrups. In the third glass add 40 ml of orange crush. After that shake well. You have to shake nicely. Then take a tall glass and pour the drinks into the glass. Then shake another glass and pour into a tall glass. See, the 2 layer came. After that add another glass, shake well, and you have to pour on the top of the glass, and you can see like Indian flag color, 3 color came. Thank you very much. Happy Independence Day.